really great to be with you today. My name is Zania and we are part of Fishy Tales Holiday Club and we are going to do a lovely craft. In your pack you will find this picture because we've been doing the story of Fishers of Men. So step number 1 will be that you have to take all your coloring pens and you need to color your picture. See, I colored mine nicely. I even put up some little birdies because there's always some seagulls out on the deep blue sea. Then step number 2 is you can either take some of the sticky back felt that you've got in your pack, but what I've done is I have taken a bit of cloth that I have at home and I've cut it so that it will fit right onto my sail. So if you've got some glue ready or your sticky back felt that will have glue on it already, you can go ahead and stick that piece of material onto your picture. Now, step number 3. In the story today, there were many fish in those nets, so we need to make some fish. And in your pack, you will have received some wrappers, sweetie wrappers. So there'll be lots of foil and colored paper. And what you need to do is you need to cut out little fish. Look at my little fish. It's got a tail and a body, and you have to cut out quite a few of those. So what you do with your little fish then is you can either use glue or some sticky tape, and onto your picture you need to stick your little fish. Oops, wait, let me just see what I'm doing. And then all in the sea, all over the sea part of your picture, you need to stick little shiny fish, because we need to do this into the story, right? It was in the story. And they nets, those nets were so full that they could hardly get them over the side of the boat. Right, so I've got some fishes on my picture. And then step number 4 is that you will have found in your pack a little bit of netting. So what you're going to do with your little bit of netting is also in your pack, there will be these. Okay, it's got sticky stuff on both sides. So what you do is you take it off like that. And that part that you've taken off, you must stick onto the boat around the top somewhere there. Okay, and then you'll have a second one. And you can take off the sticky back to that, like so. And then at the bottom, somewhere here, where you'll have all your fishes, you need to stick that part. Then you can go ahead and peel off this little sticky bit that's on top. Okay, and the same with the bottom one. Peel it off so it will be sticky. And then you take your net, because this is the net of the fisherman, and you have to place it like there and put it up there and down there so that it looks like all those lovely colored fish are inside of your net, and they are going to pull up this big net full of fish, and you have a beautiful picture. And maybe Mum can put it up somewhere in the house and you can tell her all about being Fishers of Men. Thank you. Bye.